Baby. Was just getting restless. The wind has really picked up. It's probably going to drown out the microphone. I brought this walking stick from California, okay? Yes, I did. And I had it a long time, and I don't remember now where I first picked it up. I wish we could remember all of that stuff. I do remember making this hat. It was one of the very first things I made as, you know, like a full-on adult. And I might have made it in Aspen. That's where I really started crocheting. And this is crochet. And this is the kind of wool that itches. It's extremely warm, but because it's crochet and it's an open weave, the air goes through there and your head does get cold. And I remember wearing this skiing way back in the day. But everybody wanted to see, not everybody, but a few people wanted to see me wearing my sweaters. So I thought, well, let's just do a sweater and a hat. And I was actually looking for, oh goodness, I pulled out some scarves to add to the equation, but I forgot to bring them down. That hits the spot. Earl Grey at 3 in the afternoon. I mean, it looks like it's ready to get dark, doesn't it? It's 3. You know, they're saying to not, if you're a senior, of course I'm not anywhere near that, but if you are a senior, you should not exert yourself, especially like shoveling snow. There's a lot of people over 80 that get out and think, oh, I'll just shovel the sidewalk, and then they have a heart attack, and we don't want that happening. Not to anybody watching my channel anyway. It feels like 14, yeah. Extreme cold warning. More than 200,000 without power, trees and wires down in many areas. 200,000 Middle Tennesseans were without power. Yes, what I do, I have this little, this is not anything great, but did you know, and this is not a so-called theory, this is true, they are taking pictures, if you have iPhone, well, I'm sure it's all phones, they are taking pictures like all day long of your face. So I do that to cover up my selfie camera. And then I found these wonderful, I just got them on Amazon, but I love these cases, and I wish they had something for the, you know, just a little thing that comes down over the front. But then it's hard to get your phone in and out. I don't know how they would do that. But the great thing about this case, you may have seen it, it's got one of these, it's got a built-in stand. So it's not as high as a regular phone stand, but boy, is it helpful. And it has a little sliding door back here for the regular cameras. The road is not icy, it's clear, so I'm wondering if they salted it, because my driveway is solid ice. When I say solid, I mean it's pocked. You know, it's got like air pox, or what do you call those? Which, as long as I have power, is fine with me. I've got so much to do. Yeah, so that's day 2. Just wanted to share it with you. Thank you for tuning in. In terms of this sweater, if you're interested, I knitted this from a pattern. It's an English company that makes yarn and patterns. And I was a member for a long time, and it was this, and I named my cat, one of my cats, after, let's see, what, I'll have to put it on the screen, I'm blanking, but, you know, they put out a beautiful magazine, and I made this from a picture with a pattern, and the problem with it is, it's very chunky, soft wool, and I made it too big, and it stretched because it's so, you use a large needle, and so, which means you have more stretch, and so I wound up using hundreds of dollars. I kept having to reorder the yarn. Yeah, they can make that look beautiful in a photo in a magazine, but what happens is the weight of all that yarn pulls your shoulder seam down off your shoulder. And then all of this, and the sleeves are just 3 inches too big this way, you know. So I mean, it's fun, and it's yummy and comfy and everything. But when the wind blows, because it's an open weave, you need something else in there. So let me know how you're faring during this storm. I I look forward to hearing from you in the comments below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to be able to post updates every day, either how things look or what I'm doing inside. So stay tuned for that. God bless you, and I'll see you next time.